Let's do an exercise to see if we have understood the concepts properly, inshallah. So we have to just remember that in a sifa mawsuf, both the nouns should match in all four properties. All right. So this is saying identify the describing constructions, the sifa mawsuf, murakkab tawsifi in the following, and name the four properties. So the first construction we have, first phrase we have is kalam Allahi. So we can go and figure out each property for each word, but if I just look at the word kalam, it has a fatha, so it is in nasb status, and lafzul jalala is in jar status. So one property is not matching, so right away I know this is not sifa mawsuf, it's actually idafa. Jannatin aliyatin, I see that they are both mu'annath, both mufrad, both nakira, and both are in jar status. So this is sifa mawsuf. Jannah is a garden or paradise. Aliya means lofty, like high. So a high garden, lofty paradise. Thamanan qalilan. Each of these words, thamanan and qalilan, is mudhakkar. It is mufrad, nakira, and both of them are in nasb status. Okay, let's review one more time. To determine the status of an ism, I look at the ism thamanan. Does it have any of my 6 endings? What were my 6 endings? Ani aini, una ina, atun atin. No, it does not have any of those. Then I look at the last letter, which is noon. And what haraka does it have? It has fathatain, fatha. Fatha is an indication of nasb status. Let me remind one more time. The last letter, it seems here, is alif. But you have to remember, this is a writing rule in Arabic. When you want to put fathatain, not damatain, not kasratain, I'm only talking about fathatain, and the last letter of your word is anything other than ta marbuta or hamza. So like in this case, your word actually was tha mim noon, thaman. All right, the last letter is noon, and you wanted to put fathatain on the noon. It's just a writing rule that you have to add an alif, which they kind of, to understand, they say it is needed to hold the fathatain. So this is a writing rule. The actual word does not have the alif. It is tha mim noon. Same for qalil. Qaf lam ya, lam is the spelling. We see the last alif only because we wrote fathatain. Another way to explain this is, if I was writing qalilin, I will not see that alif. If I was writing qalilun, I will only see lam, no alif. So it's just a writing thing. So anyway, the last letter is noon. I see fathatain, and so this is a nasb status. Thamanan qalilan, little value, little price. Ta'amul miskini, ta'amul miskini. So right away I see that ta'am has a dhamma, and al-miskin, even though I don't see it, it has a kasra, al-miskini. This is not sifa mawsuf, status is not matching. Nufassilul ayati, again this is not sifa mawsuf, all 4 properties are not matching. Actually nufassil is not even a noun. Alhamdu lillahi, again not sifa mawsuf. Al-masjidil harami, this is sifa mawsuf. Al-masjid, al-haram, both mudhakkar, both mufrad, both ma'rifa, both in jar state. So al-masjid is being described as al-haram, the sacred mosque. Imra'atin mu'minatin, again both are feminine, both are singular, both are nakira, and both are in jar status. A believing woman. Imra'a means a woman, mu'mina, believing. This is not correct Arabic, so we will skip this one. Al-ummul azimatu, again both are feminine. Is a feminine word because it's talking about an actual female. Azima is feminine, it has ta marbuta. Both are ma'rifa, both have al, that's why. Both are in rough status, I see dhamma, and both are mufrad words, singular, right? To tell if it's singular or jama taksir, I have to know the meaning. So other than that, the rest I could tell. Azima is the great mother. Al-Ummul Azima, the great mother. Al-Ain al-Jariyati, 4 properties are matching. Remember, Ain is a mu'annath word because Ain is a body part that occurs in pairs. So this word Ain is mu'annath. Jariya is mu'annath because it has ta marbuta. Both are ma'rifa, both are singular, and both are in jar status. So this is a sifa mawsuf. Al-Ain al-Jariyati, the flowing spring or the flowing eye. Qabla yawm al-qiyamati. So this is not sifa mawsuf. Things are not matching. We can go slowly and figure it out. Al-Ard al-Kabirata is sifa mawsuf, both mu'annath, both ma'rifa, both nasb, both singular. Nahnu fitnatun, it's not matching, it's not sifa mawsuf. Udhunun saghiratun, sifa mawsuf, a small ear. Waqudun nari, I see that one has dhamma, one has kasra, not matching. As-sabil tawilatil jamilati. So this as-sabil word is the mawsuf, and its description is that it's tawila and jamila, so the beautiful long way. Sama'un aliyatun is sifa mawsuf. Sama is a feminine word because Arab said so. A high sky or high heaven or lofty heaven. Imra'atuhu kafiratun. The word imra'atuhu is actually already has 2 words in it. So this is not a sifa mawsuf. It's not matching. Ujurin kabiratin is sifa mawsuf. Ujur is the plural of the word ajr, pay or recompense. It's a plural word, but the sifa we see is singular, kabiratin. Remember, even though it's a plural word, it is treated as if it was a single word. So the sifa will always be singular. Ujurin kabiratin, a big reward. Al-Muslimuna khashi'una. Is this sifa mawsuf? No, because Muslimun has al, it's marifa. Khashi'un does not have al, it's nakira. This is not sifa mawsuf. Buyutin kabiratin, both are matching in all 4 properties, even though buyut is jama and kabira is mufrad, but we remember the rule. It is treated as feminine, that's why this is sifa mawsuf. Big houses. Al-Ka'sul ghaliyatu, Ka'as is a feminine word because Arab said so. All of the properties are matching. The expensive cup, the valuable, precious cup. Al-Bint al-Mujtahidati, feminine, ma'rifa, jar status, nakira, the hard-working girl. Antun talibatun mujtahidatun. Here antunna talibatun mujtahidatun. Antunna is not the mawsuf. However, talibatun is mawsuf and the sifa is mujtahidatun. So this part, talibatun mujtahidatun, is sifa mawsuf murakkab. All 4 properties are matching. Hard-working students. Antunna means all of you ladies. All of you ladies are hard-working students.